this is the advanced pastry shop class, or the sweet retreat. Every single week there's a rotating menu of different pastries selections. So this week was Chef Lupita's week, and then the next week will be one of my classmates' weeks. Our duties vacillate from making yeast breads, quick breads, lean doughs, laminated pastries, cookies, bars, pies, you name it.
This is like your first stop before you get to the bakery. We try to make it as real life possible. That way they can see. This is like a first-hand real work experience for them. This prepare them for on the future when they go and ask for a job, they know what to do. And obviously being a chef, being a pastry chef, being a cake decorator, they need to react like a really fast for be able to solve problems.
It's just all about learning, and when you figure out that thing that you like to learn, then it's going to take you so far.